Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to change number of columns for the products on your WordPress website. So I'm using Astra WordPress theme, and here you can see currently 2 columns per row. So now I want to increase and I want to add 4 columns in one row. So let me show you how I can do that. Simply here you can see WooCommerce. Click here, then product catalog, scroll down, and here you can change the number of columns to the 4 and how many products you want to display per page. So currently these are the 12. You can add whatever you want to display, then click on publish button. Okay, now let's go back and reload this page. Now here you can see these are looking much better. So 4 products are available in a single row.